Don't worry now, let me just drop this thing. Let me just drop it for my mom. He will see the kind of smartness, you see the kind of punishing that they will give him. This, this guy, he thinks that he's smart. Let him just see what I can do first. Let's go and hit that man. He thinks that he's smart. He thinks so. Don't worry. Now just I don't even know what I will do. Oh, I even know what I will do, sis. He will see himself inside prison eating only one seed of beans. Don't worry. Criminality is in your eye. Nonsense.